At Lucintel, we have done significant research into the cyanate ester resin market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the cyanate ester resin market. We have done significant secondary research and conducted primary interviews throughout the value chain of this market to develop these insights. Before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, value chain analysis, due diligence, and M&A to companies around the world. Now, let me share some of our perspective on this market. To summarize, we see the opportunity for cyanate ester resin as being promising. For example, the market is projected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 5% through 2025. Currently, aerospace engines and structural parts represent the largest market opportunity by application segment, whereas the aerospace and defense industry is the largest market by end-use industry. In terms of the regions, North America offers the largest opportunity for cyanate ester resin, followed by Europe and then by the Asia Pacific. If you look into the value chain, you see that the ecosystem for cyanate ester resin is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the key drivers and emerging trends we're seeing in this market. Some of the key drivers include growing usage of composite materials and increasing demand in the aerospace and defense industry. Some of the major challenges, however, include the fluctuating cost of raw materials as well as challenges with regard to availability. Now, in terms of some of the emerging trends that we're seeing, we see high temperature resistance and increasing demand in the optical devices segment, as well as high performance powder coatings, all being significant trends in this market. As you've seen, Lucintel has examined different opportunities, challenges, and trends throughout the value chain. And in order to compete more effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities in high thermal stability and fast curing cyanate ester resin. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the cyanate ester resin market. This report is designed to help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. Lucintel has an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, what kind of game-changer actions exist in the market, or is a more incremental approach to growth better? Or where should I focus sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To learn the answers to these and other questions about the cyanate ester resin market, please contact Lucintel. Thank you very much for listening to our video today.